For us here at Saracens, inclusivity is a core value for us. So these sort of initiatives that we're doing in partnership with Principal Initial are incredibly important to us. A key part of the local community within Barnet, we feel that these sort of initiatives are incredibly important, and for us to be a pioneer in getting these into as many washrooms as possible, I think within the local community and for all our visitors to the stadium will be a real positive for us as a venue moving forward. Yes, we are looking to expand to as many areas within the stadium as possible. Currently, we have them within our main bar in the east stand and on the hospitality levels in the east stand. We'd obviously like to put them within all our changing rooms, get them over to the 1876 stand as well, so that tenants like Middlesex University can also benefit from what we're planning to do with Rentokil.